Well, the contributions that MCHP makes through research have been recognized widely throughout Canada. It's actually quite amazing to me how when I travel to research meetings, talk to people, people recognize the work we've done and understand the importance of that work. So if I speak, for example, at the level of primary care, which is what I'm involved with a lot, we've done work that's been useful across the country in identifying quality indicators in primary care, which is useful at the higher level of the country, but then when people start talking about how can we apply this to our own practices or within regional health authorities, depending on the province, or provincially, at each level there's something useful from the work that we've done here.
The ability to see the work that I do and the ability to see what I'm working on go into the policy realm and really see that then apply in op-eds or in the newspaper or on the radio, those kinds of things. It lets me know that I'm making a difference, not just within academia, but within the real world.
So not only do we work as research scientists, but we work with a whole group of people like the data analysts and the research coordinators and the support staff. And everybody looks at a research project as something that they contribute a really special part to.
Someone will sit there and say to us, this is really important stuff, this is going to help me plan, and this will help us figure out why these rates are this way or why we're not delivering a certain service in a particular way or certain numbers. And they actually use the word wow. And they'll say, wow, I can't believe you guys find that out. That's so cool.
Wow.
Well, working at MCHP is just a huge pleasure for a number of reasons. The biggest one is the teamwork. Nothing around here happens by individuals sitting in their office and thinking profound thoughts on their own. Some of us try to do that, but almost everything that happens here is because of the teamwork, and that's been a huge factor.
Even the way that we designed our particular space, which was built by CFI money several years ago, tries to demonstrate the fact that we work as a group. There is no office that has a window. All of our windows are public space. So there's no bigger office and smaller office. All of our public space is where we meet as teams.
When we go to the weekly meetings, all of us have a say. We're all able to contribute. It's a collaborative effort. It's something that when the final report is done, it's something that we can all say we've had a part of.
And the team approach makes research not only more valuable because we have different perspectives, but it also makes it more fun to do together because not only is it an individual's effort, it's a group effort and it's a stronger effort as a result.
And the lunchroom. The lunchroom's neutral territory. Basically, when you sit down for lunch, you sit down with the director, the PIs, and all the way down, and everyone, then it's a way to get to know each other. So then when you are in these meetings, you feel more comfortable because there's more of a personal connection.
There are very few places where I've worked where I've been able to identify with a team of colleagues that both provide leadership, a nurturing environment, a fun place to work, and a sense of collegiality around a common purpose. And it's quite unique to have all of those things come together under one roof, and not just at any one point in time, but it being an ongoing environment which is continually being renewed in many of these aspects. So we have fun, and we have fun all the time. And at the same time, we're doing exciting work, and people know that, and people respect each other for that. So there's an ongoing environment of support, but also an environment of recognition that we can do better, we need to do better, and we will do better because that's what we're all about.